how to fix payment cancelled on Roblox. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix your payment cancelled on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes you could have the Roblox application installed, you're trying to get the premium, or maybe you're trying to buy a Robux. Whatever else it is, you're just having the issue of not being able to just go ahead and then fill in your payment details. Now in many cases the problem is not with your Roblox application, but the problem could most likely be with the payment method that you're adding. So it could be that the card has actually been invalid, the credit or debit card does not have enough balance in it, or maybe you just need to contact the credit card issuer in order to help solve the problem. So you can say add credit or debit card. No matter whichever option I selected, let's say that you're not being able to add it properly. Now as I said, if you have a specific card that you're trying to add to Roblox, try to also use the card on some other places, such as maybe buying a Spotify, Netflix, trying to buy some premium app. See if your card works there. If it doesn't work, then the issue is with your card and not necessarily with the Roblox. But if the issue is with your Roblox app because the card is working in all the other places but not working on Roblox, then you might want to contact the customer care by just going over here, selecting the option called help. Just go into the customer service section here, just scroll down to the bottom of the screen, select the option called contact us, tap on contact us. You'll be taken to the contact us page, tap the support forum, and then just make sure to fill a form and let them know that your payment method was basically declined, and they should be able to help you with it respectively. Hope this video helped you as to how you can fix your payment method declined. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.